You're not gonna believe your eyes. I'm Carter Craft with Craft Customs, and this steering wheel is off of a 1938 Ford one-ton pickup. And though it looks absolutely amazing now, in fact better than brand new, the condition it was in when it came into us, I have seen very few wheels in that bad of condition. The plastic was just falling apart all over the wheel. This wheel was made out of a material called Bakelite, which is actually a rubber-based, if you want to call it plastic, rubber-based plastic. And so we redo a lot of the old Bakelite steering wheels, but this one was obviously 1938, the worst one I've ever seen. So what we had to do, we had to literally tape it together and glue the chunks back on it, and then fill the cracks and the grooves and everything enough so that we can make a mold, so that we can mold this steering wheel, because it definitely needed to be remolded. So that was quite a process in and of itself. We got the steering wheel put back together, filled all the grooves, shaped it back to its original shape, and then built a mold for it, which is quite a process, but there's no replacements for these, obviously. So we built the mold, remolded the steering wheel, and then were able to refinish it back to, like I say, better than factory new. So this is going to make this 1938 Ford pickup a showstopper. Absolutely. You know, I go to a lot of car shows and see the old steering wheels in some of those old classic cars, and even in museums, they'll have cracks in them. And a lot of people don't know that there is an option to fix them, and that's what we do. That's what we've been doing for over 35 years now, since 1991. We restore the old classic steering wheels. We do leather steering wheels, wood steering wheels, carbon fiber steering wheels, anything in relation to a steering wheel, we do it here at Craft Customs. So like the video, subscribe to our channel, and reach out to us at craftcustoms.com. You're gonna love what you get. We guarantee it.